Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will test hand watch against Gamo Black Maxim HD IGT 4.5. Distance of shooting is 30 meters. This is what I found after our test, so you can see this is a pellet after impact with hand watch. Thank you guys for being here and watching my videos. So this is what we tested today. This is a pellet after impact. This is one watch and this is another one. So here we have pellets as well. I was using Gamo Hunter impact pellets 4.5. If you like today's video, give a thumbs up, subscribe. This will motivate me to create more videos for you guys. See you next one.